6-piece set. Set includes 8.5-cup rectangular plastic containers with lids. These are the perfect containers for meal prepping or storing leftovers, and ideal for work, school and home. They also resist stains, odors, and flavors. High quality, made from lightweight and durable BPA-free plastic, these Snapware containers are an indispensable addition to your storage and organizing needs. The containers and lids stack to save space, so you can put them away neatly until needed. Non-toxic lids. These Snapware containers feature airtight, leak-proof lids with 4 locking tabs that are BPA-free. They're also top-rack dishwasher, freezer and microwave safe. Save food for tomorrow or warm today's lunch with less worries. Label your food. Built-in write plus erase label on lids provide convenience and fun. When you have too much stuff, or just need to make sure that everyone knows which container belongs to you, simply write on the lid to avoid any confusion. Limited warranty. This item has limited warranty. Made in USA. Snapware, trusted brand in locking/latching lids. Snapware organizes clutter with creativity and no effort. Organization doesn't need to be dull. Add a splash of color with Snapware and have fun. Top reviews from the United States. Fits in Coleman hardliner lunch boxes. I have always used square take-alongs for sandwiches. However, my son needed an absolutely leak-proof lunchbox. His locker is on top of an instrument locker, and it would be a disaster for his lunch to leak onto the really expensive violin. He finally decided on a Coleman 9-can soft cooler with a hardliner for short days on campus and a 16-can version for longer days. He was super limited because the locker is very deep, not very wide. These Snapware 3-cup containers fit perfectly into these coolers. These are very easy to clean, use, and store. I hand wash them and let them air dry overnight. Super easy. I'm so glad I found these. I wish each lunchbox would either come with containers that fit or would just compile a list of containers that fit. It took me forever to find containers that would work. These are so much better than trying to shove a sandwich into a little plastic bag.